Hey there, it's actually future me again because I didn't get a chance to do day 6 intro. This is going to be the second half of the Ikea tour and I think a little trip down to our farmer's market because we did a quick weekend trip for, well, I went originally for flowers and I'll give you a tour of those because they are absolutely incredible. But so here's a little catch up for day 6 and I will see you later. Okay, so here we are back in Ikea for the day 2 tour. And I sped it up a little bit because this place is just so huge. This is all the dining area, and aren't they cute? They put all the little animals dining at the tables. As you can see, my husband's already carrying a pile. I swear there's hundreds of these vignettes. There's so many ideas too. Again, you really have to go with a plan and maybe even go with a notebook so you can jot down things that you see that you go, oh, that'd be great in my house. Mirrors, and I don't even know how to explain it to you. We're looking at closet organizers. There was a piece that had a little skinny side mirror, pants organizers. It was very cool. See, little skinny mirror. That was jammed into a corner, but the corner piece was kind of inaccessible. If you put that in, it would have to be changed a little bit. We like the mirrors on the outside, but the corner was difficult. I don't know if you can tell looking at my husband's back. But it's hard to get into in the corner. And then there's kind of what we had in mind for our bathroom. Floating, but our sinks would sit on top. Our sinks are raised with the drawers. He's trying to determine how deep it is because it looks really skinny. And all the organizers and the little things in the drawer, the bathroom just needs to be organized. It becomes a dumping ground really fast. He's still trying to figure out how deep it is. It's funny. It says 18 inches. No, 24. No, I don't know. And the glass piece, we were looking at the glass. We're thinking about putting glass outside our shower. So keep going. Beds, 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 and more beds. It's crazy just how much stuff there is. Crazy. Bunk beds, regular beds, king beds, queen beds, youth beds. And here we go again. We're headed towards, oh my gosh, dressers. And I think they just changed their catalog not long ago because there's so many things that were new that we'd never seen before. But then again, we haven't been in a long time. So, and then office supplies. We're trying to find the piece that connects to the big square bookcases that we own, and it doesn't seem to be on display. So we were looking at the legs and the tops and how do you fit them together. And he really wants one of those to fit inside one of those large square bookcase pieces, those Kalex pieces that were from yesterday's video. And then of course we're headed into the kids section. There's so many organizational things in here too. Lots and lots and lots and lots and lots. The little youth beds and animals and crib covers and toys. Well, the animals coming up. They have a huge section of stuffed animals. They're so cute. And then he's heading down into the warehouse. And I skipped a little bit of video here because we skipped around. We were actually trying to do our list. And here's all those things that go inside that square bookcase. So my other half was kind of going crazy, going, wow, I could use that. And this is great. And that's a little file folder. And I love the color. And he really has to come home, and we spent about an hour yesterday mapping out, like, what do you want to use it for? Because that would be key in getting it right, so you don't just buy a whole bunch of stuff, which is so easy to do in this place. And then we found these crates, which, if anybody does art shows or artisan shows, you know we all use these crates. And they had them in 2 sizes. I think they were $9.99 and $7.99, something like that. Great sizes. You could nest them together so it'd be easy to pack. And look, it comes in a flat. I guess everything in Ikea comes in a flat and you have to put it together. But those are really handy. You could paint them, or they had all kinds of big baskets. I have never seen so many large scale baskets there. It's always smaller things that you put around the house. And these were huge. Huge, like 3 feet round. Huge. So this is the downstairs marketplace where they have all, I mean, they have so many things. And here's the little white bins. I use stuff like this all over our kitchen to keep things coordinated. And then I came for those plastic bins that I'm going to show off in the next video for my sewing room. But stuff like that, those bins are great for junk drawers. Fabulous. Anyway, we're going to wrap this up pretty soon right here, and I think I'm going to skip the farmer's market until the day 7 video. So stay tuned, and I'll be back tomorrow. Okay, so this is what we were looking for today. And there are bathroom cabinets. They were $350 a piece, and now they are... Can you spell bargain? That's both of our bathrooms for $210 instead of over $1,000. Haha.